Hello, Excellians. Here's how to add error bars to a chart in Excel. First, click anywhere on your chart to select it. Click the green plus icon at the top right corner. Hover over error bars, click the arrow next to it. Choose from the options, standard error, percentage, or standard deviation. If you click on more options instead, a pop-up window will appear asking you to choose a specific series. Select your first fiscal year and click OK. This opens the Format Error Bars pane on the right side of the screen. In the sidebar, make sure the Error Bar Options tab is selected. Modify the settings as necessary. Scroll down to the Error Amount section, choose any of the options or select Custom and click Specify Value. A small dialog box will appear. Click the upward arrow in the Positive Error Value field. Then click and drag to highlight the cell range containing your calculated error values for that specific year. Do the same in the Negative Error Value field and select the exact same cell range. Click OK. The custom error bars are now applied to your first data series. To add error bars to the remaining years, repeat the exact same process by clicking the green plus icon, selecting more options, and choosing the next fiscal year from the list. You can also select the chart, go to the Chart Design tab, and to add chart element to access the error bars options from there. Right-click on any of the error bars of a particular series and select Format Error Bars to access the options quickly. And that's, my friend, is how you can add error bars to a chart in Excel. Don't forget to like or subscribe and leave a message in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Until next time.